If you can spend some time this weekend putting in a little bit of work to try and prep for next week's test, that would be wonderful. One of the best ways to do that is go to Clever and go ahead and head into Khan Academy. Once you're in Khan Academy, scroll down through the assignments that pop up in front of you, and you should eventually get to something that looks like this. Now what you're looking for is your grade level, not the grade level of the course you're in, but your grade level with your peers. So for instance, if you're in 7th grade pre-algebra, you want to look at the 7th grade curriculum. We'll look at the 8th grade curriculum right now. When you click resume, or if there's a start button in front of you, it'll throw a quiz up there. So you should take the quiz. It's going to ask you to do a bunch of problems. It's going to require that you keep doing them. We're going to start getting some wrong here in a minute, just so we see what it does with us. We'll get it wrong a couple of times. Let's see what it does to us after purposefully getting all this stuff wrong. Let's keep going. And one more. There we go. So kicked us out and we got a 57%. Let's see what it does with the 57%. It gives us a lesson. If we had passed that, it would kick us out to another quiz. And eventually we'll get to a point where we've reached a level where we may not be proficient. We'll click on the next lesson and then we'll click start, and it'll begin working us through the kinds of problems that that gave us trouble. If we need to, we could go to the lesson page, and you can see that we have our progression here, and we can actually bring up videos on the topic where we're struggling. So go through this process. Once you get through this process, it will eventually allow you to take the quiz again and keep working through and see if you can hit a couple of areas where you may need some brushing up. If you have any difficulties, email me. Thanks.